for some reason you can't find the recycle bin on your desktop, here are simple steps to fix it. If the desktop is empty and you do not see any other icon on it, just right-click on any empty area and click View. Click on Show Desktop Icons. Icons should appear. If you see other icons and still the recycle bin is not showing up, go to Settings, then Personalization, then Themes, and then Desktop Icon Settings. Now check the recycle bin part. This should bring the recycle bin back onto your desktop. If you still do not see it, make new shortcut on the desktop like we did it earlier when we pinned recycle bin to the taskbar and complete it. You will get your recycle bin shortcut there.